In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the primary account from Outlook. This quick and easy task will help you manage your email accounts more efficiently and keep your Outlook application running smoothly. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft Outlook on your desktop. Once you have Outlook open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your primary email account listed. Now hover your cursor over this email address. As you do this, you'll notice a small icon appear, 3 dots sitting horizontally right next to it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is your gateway to further options and settings related to your account. Upon clicking, a set of options will unfold before you. What you need to do here is select the option labeled Manage Account. Doing so will guide you to the next phase of this process. Within the Manage Account section, you'll be greeted by another option labeled Your Accounts. Continued focus on this path is key, so click on Manage within this section. Beneath the Manage option, you will notice a button that reads Remove. This is a critical part of the process, so make sure you have identified this button before proceeding. Now click the Remove button. At this stage, you have an important decision to make. You'll be presented with 2 options: remove from this device or remove from all devices. The difference here is straightforward. Selecting remove from this device will only take effect on the machine you're currently using. On the other hand, choosing remove from all devices will disconnect your primary account from every device it is connected to. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to press OK. Pressing OK is essentially confirming your decision and allowing Outlook to execute the changes you've specified. And just like that, you're done. Your primary account has been removed and you can move forward with managing your other accounts or checking out different configurations. This task can be especially useful if you're transitioning to a new email, need to reconfigure your existing accounts, or simply want a fresh start with your Outlook setup. I hope this has been helpful and you feel confident in managing your Outlook account settings. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or for further guidance. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more simple and effective tech tips. Have a great day.